artists! Today we are going to learn how to draw a fun playground step by step. Grab your paper and a black marker.
Yay!
Let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a triangle shape. This will be the roof of our playground tower. Now draw two long straight pillars going down from the roof. Between the pillars, draw a ladder. One line on the left, one line on the right. Now draw small steps in between. Great job! On top of the roof, draw a small pole. Now add a cute flag waving in the air. Awesome! On the left side, let's draw a swirled sliding tunnel. Make it curvy and fun.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, that looks exciting! Now, on the right side, draw the second tower. Use rectangles and straight lines to build it. Take your time. You're doing great. Draw a big circle on the tower. This will be the window. Nice and neat. Now draw a big sliding tunnel going around the tower. Make it bold and curvy. So cool! Let's connect both towers with a bridge. Draw two lines. Now add small lines to make it strong. Perfect! Nice job, everyone! Our playground drawing is complete. Now go over the drawing again and make the outline bold and sharp. This will make your artwork really pop. Awesome! Isn't it beautiful?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We will use rainbow colors. Show your color pens and start coloring with me. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow, that looks amazing! Thank you for drawing with Toddlers Art Hub. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next fun drawing lesson. Bye-bye, little artists!
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.